like to show you how to make traditional tom yum soup. So, may I please show you today?
Let's do it.
Yay! So, I got a new packet. No, new product that I want to try with this today. So, let's turn on the stove. We pour this package in here. Ooh, look at the color. Wow. So nice. This smells so good too. So, we just boil the liquid in the pot. Today I would like to teach you how to make tom yum soup within 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay.
And it's made exactly like Thailand. Okay. So you boil the broth in the pot until it's almost boiling, and then we do the mushroom. This mushroom don't have to be fresh. It can be local mushroom or canned mushroom or any kind of mushroom you like. So now it's about boiling. Maybe please help. Yep. Thank you. And then we wait until it's boiling. So it smells so nice right now. So I would like to talk about this product a little bit. So is
Right there.
So this product is from Nongnooch. This is a brand new product. So they make
Thailand.
in Thailand, yes. And then they're like small kind, spicy, and everything natural. They have some vegetable in there. It's very healthy. No MSG. A lot of people really like scaring about MSG.
Yes,
This
I
product,
see no preservatives added or artificial coloring.
Yeah.
Like that.
yeah, it's awesome. So when the water is boiling, we can add some protein. It's gonna be shrimp. I prefer shrimp. And then chicken, steak, or pork. Into pork. There you go. Let's do this. So if you cook the shrimp, you just slightly cook it.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's already changed.
Yeah.
Smelling really good too.
Thank you. And then once you put the shrimp in, I like to kill the heat right away. So it just slightly cook. And then we will pour the shrimp in the bowl with it.
I got the bowl for you.
Yeah, of course. Don't burn it. There you go. So we're gonna have tom yum soup. Taste of Thailand.
Less than 5 minutes. That was amazing.
Good job. You made me proud.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ah!
No.
Wow.
That's excellent.
This just tastes like home. And you guys can taste of Thailand with you guys any way you like. Awesome. Good job. You made me proud.